Hello everyone, I am Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's video, to discuss about the one small problem which is going on in the Realme X7 Max for some of the users, that when they are trying to watch the YouTube videos in the 144 resolution, so which is the lowest resolution, they're getting a white thin line. So recently, I think couple of 2 weeks back, I did upload the same video on the Realme X7 Max, but recently I did do the factory reset of my mobile phone. So yes, I think 2 days back I did completely factory reset of my mobile phone just to check how many problems will it get fixed or not with the factory reset. That is what my main idea. But I think only one problem got fixed, which is Amazon Prime HD. Now I was able to get it back, but apart from that, there's no other issue got fixed. But let's see whether the YouTube line, middle line, whether the issue got fixed or not. That is what I'm going to exactly show you in this video. So try to select any YouTube video, anything in the Realme X7 Max device. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, how many of you are facing this kind of issue. So it doesn't matter what type of video you are watching, any video doesn't matter. So try to select always 144 resolution. Try to go to the settings and go to the advanced and select only 144. So if you try to select the 144 resolution, then you will be able to see that one small thin line which will be cutting off up and down. Yes, I'm going to fast forward a little bit. Now you'll be able to, I'm not sure whether you'll be able to notice in this kind of camera or not, but little bit of thin line will be going on exactly in the middle in this phone. So to be precise, exactly in this spot, in this, I'm not sure exactly you will be able to notice or not. There's some kind of thin line is going on when you're trying to watch any kind of videos, 144 videos, only 144 resolution. Yes, that's happening in this phone. So I did not see this kind of problem in any other smartphone, but if you try to select the 240 240 resolution, there's no problem. I think 240 also a little bit kind of issue. Maybe I'm going to go back and see 240. No, I cannot see any kind of 240. I think I can definitely see some kind of line, the 240 as well. So I'm not sure how many people are facing this kind of issue on the Realme X7 Max, but still this kind of problem is going on, some thin line which is cutting off. You can, if you try to notice, you will definitely see that kind of difference will it be there. Yes. So this problem is happening even after doing the factory reset as well in the Realme X7 Max. Still you will be able to see that kind of thin line while watching the YouTube in the Realme X7 Max. So I'm not, this is the issue with the Realme, or this is the issue with the UI, or this is the issue with the YouTube. I'm not sure exactly, but this kind of thin line problem, which has been addressed by plenty of users, did exist even in my unit as well. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. And stay tuned for more updates. And recently the Realme X7 Max is getting the next update, which is 8.16 as well. Right now I'm trying to use 8.15, but 8.16 we are getting. So make sure to stay tuned for those updates. Let's see what are the new problems it will create, or it will try to solve the old problem. That is what I'm going to check. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.